it's easier.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any still file with you?
The only place one would be from the last.
Weekends, you wanna read?
Yeah, I just checked, but yeah, no, it doesn't look like I do.
Okay, let me transfer one file.
Update that software.
Mm-hmm.
That software's probably out of date too, but it's probably the same kind of thing, you need to have it up to date.
What's this? What is this?
Scanner.
3D scanner?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Do you know where it is?
No clue. It was in, I know, it used to be Mario's office. Mario's office is not anymore.
It's in Jeff's desk, but let's be honest, it's locked away. Things, those are things he puts away.
What can you do with that if you don't have a machine?
Yeah, but he doesn't want it to get broken or dropped or.
I know they brought it to the saw, but I don't remember if he afterwards picked it up and brought it away.
Oh, he took it.
I must find one of this.
Well, I'll make buffs. I've always wondered what I looked like in marble.
Exaggerate it 10 times.
Yeah, Easter Island.
Maybe this one.
It'd be really neat because like there's some really neat faces all over these buildings, and that's what they are doing right now. They're making maquettes. He said he had 62 of them to make.
For center block, probably.
Yeah.
They're replacing ones that are damaged? Or they're making new ones?
I don't know if they're replacing.
I think
them
they're
or
just
doing
making
molds.
molds.
They're making what?
Molds.
Yeah, they're doing their clay maquettes right now.
Molds or paint cats?
Well,
He said clay.
yeah,
Right, so they're making new ones. And then they'll take a cast of that.
to me, that's a mold, to clay maquettes, whatever, or,
No.
it's a mold of what you're gonna make.
Okay.
But
Like a
just-
mold is a negative.
Yeah, but, yeah, okay, so the maquette,
So they're gonna make the sculpture,
yeah,
and then they may or may not make a mold.
Well, they'd have to get it approved. You know, you do your, like the queen, like right there, they're doing that. Of who, I don't know, of what, I don't know. But he said he had 62 of them in the next little while, in the next couple of years or something.
Right.
So right now they're working on finalizing the facing, the faces, the actual sculpture.
Yeah.
Because they don't wanna work, and he calls it the barn out back. I had a good chat with him the other day.
Like the annex?
Yeah.
yeah, they
Calls
don't
it the
wanna
barn.
work, they don't wanna work in there, fuck them.
No, it's winter.
Yeah.
Do you blame them? No.
Well, there's no reason to, if there's
There's
just
no
play.
reason to.
Yeah.
So, and they're working on getting their Pink Road thing going.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's gonna be a permanent addition. It's not a temporary, this will be a permanent location for them.
They need one.
Well, like you said, he hasn't had a permanent location since like 2013.
Yeah. There's no room for here, like, for here, no room for them here.
Not right now. So.
I know it's far for Danny, but it's close for Phil.
No, he's in Shawville.
Still, it's not that far.
It's
Closer, it's closer coming
He's
downtown.
in Bristol. Well, he said to me that he'll end up being downtown most of the time because he's the manager.
And
So
Phil.
he's gotta go and talk to everybody, you gotta do the, what do you call that there,
The wowing?
no, not that, the, networking. Where Danny and the other guys are more into, they're the artists.
Okay, so the so I put on your desktop STL file. Where it is? This one. Okay. Okay. So when you want to make machining on this, maybe we can create a new project. Okay. Okay, so in fact you take it and you drag it here. It's the easiest way. So you have to select a faceted shape.
Yep.
Very important. If you don't select faceted shape, you will be able to import it to see it, but you won't be able to do machining on it.
Is that because it's just too complex?
No, it's the kind of geometry.
Okay.
So to be able to do machining, we need faceted shape. Okay.
Okay.
You can keep this, but let's see. If you can remove it, sometimes it's easier because then you don't go through the operation of cleaning. So, but let's keep it for the moment.
So typically the cleaning would be done in another software package? Like after you scan it?
It's better, no. Normally it's better if you send the best STL file possible. You see?
Okay. That's good.
Okay, so it's a strange STL file, but it's a good example to work on. Okay, so one more thing. The size of this is 17 megabytes.
Yeah.
So at the beginning, when the customer sent me that STL file, it was like 300 megabytes.
Okay.
So which is too much. Even 17 megabytes is a lot. So because then it makes a very big calculation for the software. So the best is to use the scanner software.
Yep.
To simplify the STL file. You know,
Okay.
for machining you don't need the best accuracy. I have myself a specific software, free. The name is Mesh Lab. That is useful to clean and to reduce the size and to simplify the STL file.
Okay. So when you say simplify, it's not the same as clean. I thought that was maybe the same thing, but cleaning is different?
No, simplify is, for example, if you use a scanner with accuracy of 0.2 of millimeter, it will create a triangle side by side 0.2 of millimeter. So for sure, to make a big shape, it will create millions and millions of small faces.
Yeah.
And then it's good to go through software that's able to use maybe I don't know 30 triangles together to make only one bigger triangle. This is the simplification.
Right.
And then the size of the file is much smaller.
Okay.
Okay, so then the problem from the scanner is not oriented with the global coordinate system. So if I go on the top view, you see the part has no orientation. It's totally free in space. So then it's better to start and to give a correct orientation on your model. So to be able to do this, first you have to go in visualization menu and activate Z to be able to select any point on the still file. If you don't have this, you won't be able to select anything.
Okay, and by points you mean like intersections of the triangles?
Triangle, yes.
Yeah.
So if I zoom, you see it's very, no, so now you see the triangles.
Yeah.
So that's why the simplification is very important, because if you don't simplify, you have more than that. Here it's a lot, but at the beginning it was more than that.
Wow.
So
yeah, okay, that's good. A lot of our surfaces will be like flat faces, so
yeah, normally if it's a flat face with two triangles, you do
We
it.
have that one with
So
the snail shell. Remember Daily Cut one with the band course? Remember it's got the row and then it goes up and then to the snail shell.
okay.
That'd be an
So then,
interesting
to be able to give a correct orientation on your shape, I generally make, on construction menu, I generally make a frame by 3 points. So, for example, I select, I will zoom